Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Weld County in northeastern Colorado until 6:00 p.m. At 5:26 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Pawnee Buttes, or 31 miles southwest of Kimball, moving south at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Pawnee Buttes. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.